Are you looking to finance a CNC router? Here are the steps you can take to be prepared before calling our office to speak to one of our advisors. Step 1. We will need to know the length of time you have been in business. If you are just starting up, that's okay because we have programs for startups. Step 2. Do you have an idea on what CNC router you are going with and the estimated cost? Step 3. Do you have an idea on what your credit history looks like? Even if you have challenging credit issues, we have programs that may consider your application. Step 4. If you are an existing business for at least 3 months, add up the average monthly gross income for the last 3 months. Step 5. Get pre-qualified with one of our helpful advisors. Call 888-565-6692, or you can click on our chat app help desk in the lower right corner of our website.